everyone, this is Sunidhi and welcome back to PriceNepal. So as I say, I have something really special to all our sports bike enthusiasts. It is the CF Moto 450 SRS. So your video ma I'm going to talk about its feature, design, performance and price. So video चाहिँ अन्तिमसम्म हेर्दिनु होला अनि ढिला नगरी let's fire it up and see what this bike is really made of. One of the strongest point of this bike, which is the design and its build quality. So हेर्दाखेरि एकदमै aggressive छ and it looks fast even when it's standing still. अगाडिको sharp DRLs, integrated turn indicators र projector headlampले यो बाइकलाई एकदमै खतरा प्रेजेन्स दिन्छ. We can see the winglets जुन चाहिँ it's not just for show, they actually provide the aerodynamic advantage at high speed. Body panel fit and finish ko kura garnu parda, everything is set up in a tight way, so no loose edges, especially यसको tail section, gear switch अनि त्यसपछि हाम्रो fuel tank feels really tough. Rear मा पनि त्यो underbelly exhaust र sporty tail tidy setup ले गर्दा complete race bike जस्तै look दिन्छ. यसको seat पनि एकदमै premium छ, so अगाडि rider को लागि it is aggressive अनि पछाडी pillion को लागि it is minimal, which is just perfect for the sporty stance. Carbon fiber texture panel ले गर्दा यसको looks अझै नै aggressive देखिन्छ. So this is not just a bike, it's a head turner for sure. Looks just so sharp, यसको engine पनि त्यति नै बवाल छ. So let's see what 450 SRS is made of. यो बाइकमा 449.5cc parallel twin liquid cooled DOHC engine जसले completely नयाँ platform हो for the CF Moto, specially built for both power and smoothness. यो engineले 46.9 horsepower at 9250 rpm, त्यसै गरी 39.3 Nm torque at just 7750 rpm generate गर्छ, which means power delivery एकदमै linear छ अनि torque चाहिँ mid range मा एकदमै punchy feel हुन्छ. Acceleration test गर्दा 0 to 100 km/h in around 4.5 to 5 seconds हो, pushing at top speed of 190 plus. त्यसै गरी यो speed मा पनि एकदमै stable feel हुन्छ. Twin parallel configuration ले गर्दाखेरि यसको vibrations हरु almost नै feel हुँदैन, especially on the handlebars, foot peg र tank. So city मा चलाउँदा it's comfortable, त्यसै गरी highway मा it is buttery smooth. यसमा भएको gearbox चाहिँ 6-speed transmission हो, which is precise. So यसमा चाहिँ हामीले 14 liters of tank पाउँछौं, जुनले गर्दा तपाईले 25 to 28 km को मज्जाले माइलेज पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ, depending on your riding style. So the exhaust note is a plus point. Since this is a parallel twin configuration, यसमा चाहिँ तपाईले deep growl को sound पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. So let's hear the exhaust. यो बाइकको chassis चाहिँ lightweight trellis frame हो, जसले गर्दा राइडर्सहरुलाई कर्नर र शार्प टर्न्सहरुमा चाहिँ एकदमै सजिलो हुन्छ. सस्पेन्सनमा हामीले अगाडिपटि चाहिँ 37 mm को USD fork पाउँछौं with compression and rebound adjustment. त्यसै गरी पछाडी चाहिँ हाम्रो monoshock छ with preload adjustment, जुनले गर्दा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले आफ्नो राइडिङ स्टाइलको अनुसार एडजस्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. ब्रेक्समा चाहिँ हाई स्पेक सेटअप छ. फ्रन्टमा पाउनुहुन्छ 320 mm को डिस्क with Brembo M40 4 piston radial clippers र रेयरमा पाउनुहुन्छ 240 mm को सिंगल डिस्क ड्युअल च्यानल ABS सिस्टम, जुन चाहिँ इमर्जेन्सीको ब्रेकिङमा एकदमै हेल्पफुल हुन्छ. यसको सीट हाइट चाहिँ 795 mm को हो, जुनले गर्दा हाम्रो एभरेज नेपाली राइडर्सहरुलाई कम्फर्टेबलै हुन्छ. अनि ग्राउन्ड क्लियरेन्समा चाहिँ हामीले 140 mm को ग्राउन्ड क्लियरेन्स पाउँछौं, which is good enough for the city rides. So यो 400cc को बाइक चाहिँ it weighs around 179 kgs, which is good enough for this segment. अब कुरा गरौँ फीचर्स र इलेक्ट्रोनिक्स को, जहाँ CF Moto ले truly level up गरेको छ. Starting with the TFT display, यो चाहिँ 5 inch को कलरफुल स्क्रिन हो, जसले गियर पोजिसन, RPM, स्पीड, ट्रिप इन्फो, टेम्परेचर सबै नै देखाउँछ. कनेक्टिभिटी पनि छ, जुन चाहिँ ब्लुटुथ सपोर्ट थ्रु द CF Moto राइड एप हो. तपाईहरुले कल्स, म्युजिक, नेभिगेसन अलर्टहरु पनि सबै डिस्प्लेमा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. अनि सबभन्दा धेरै एक्साइटिङ कुरा चाहिँ द ट्र्याक्सन कन्ट्रोल सिस्टम, जुनले चाहिँ यो बाइकमा अनएक्सपेक्टेड व्हील स्लिप भयो भने चाहिँ अटोमेटिकली म्यानेज गर्छ, which adds safety especially during the wet or gravel road condition. USB चार्जिङ पोर्ट पनि इन्क्लुडेड छ, जसको युज डेली कम्युटमा धेरै नै हेल्पफुल हुन्छ, especially for the maps and phone charging. Finally, talking about its price. So, यो 450 SRS को official price चाहिँ 13,49,900 हो, जुन चाहिँ 400cc को लागि अलिकति expensive हुन्छ. However, it does provide the advanced electronics, solid performance, and premium features. Lastly, moving on to the final verdict. यो bike किन्ने कि नाइ? So the CF Moto 450 SRS is quite pricey for 400cc segment, but it comes with a unique blend of performance, technology, and design. If you're someone who is looking for a bike that stands out with a great build performance, this bike is the right choice for you. Additionally, this bike comes with something extra. Raw power matra nabhaikana, it has a long-term value, comfort, and versatility as well. So, it might not be the cheapest, but for the right rider, it is worth considering. Thank you for watching the video. र तपाईलाई यो बाइक कस्तो लाग्यो comment sections मा लेख्दिनु होला. And for more bike related contents, don't forget to subscribe to our channel PriceNepal and follow us on social. So I have this space. So अन्तिमसम्म भिडियो हेर्दिनु होला. And this is Suniti. Deep growl. यसको engine पनि 450 SRS को off transmission, which is crisp. The fuel tank is एकदमै कडक. So city मा चलाउँदा एकदम smooth, त्यसैगरी highway मा त मक्खन हुन्छ मक्खन.